Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Tahir Khan speaking and you're watching MTK vlog. तो गाइज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो भी मैं अपलोड करूँगा आप तक नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच जाएगा। तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिए और मुझे फॉलो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम भी कर दीजिए और फेसबुक पे भी फॉलो कर दीजिए। It is a very beautiful morning. And it is almost not this time, sorry, this is around 1 o'clock right now, and it's smoking hot. I mean, like, it's really smoking hot. Now I'm going from Kanakpura Road to my not my home, to my college. Actually, I had to collect some certificate and get to know the result dates because till now in the application they did not update it yet. So BC is like this only, like they never update it on time, or nor they tell when you're gonna collect or how you're gonna collect it all tickets. So everything you have to go to college and inquire about it, and also the admission department over there, they don't pick up our calls, especially students call and answer all our questions. So yeah, that's why we have to go to college with 15-20 minutes from Kanakpura Road. And we are going now, and this is a daily observation video. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and for my existing subscribers, please like and share, comment on my video and videos. Hope you can listen to me properly, clear and good. Wow! Oh, that's some lot of dust over there. Oh my god, this time it's so much traffic is there, like but the roads are smooth. Let's go. So we have other works also, so many works today. So we thought we'll just walk randomly and get a daily observation video today. Okay, let's go. Guys, you can see I've come back from my college. Now my grandmother gave me some works. You can see the bags. Now I have to go deliver to someone. I'm not a delivery boy though. But still, she was telling me from like 3-4 days to go and give it to someone. So now I have to go to, like, I don't know, Fraser Town to give it to them. I have to go to this gym, Golden Physique Gym, but I won't be in India for like only for like 10-15 days, and for they told for 1 month membership around 4K they told. So like I'll see about joining. And also my exams date, they told it will be on March 2nd week. Let's see how true that can be. So maybe I'll be starting to study from Feb 15th onwards. Till that, after that I won't be doing anything. I'll stay home, study full day, cook my own food and eat. Bro, there's still signal is there, bro. Wait, also gently. So guys, it's been again a night after going all giving and delivering and just talking and having fun in Fraser Town. So now I'm going home, and hope you enjoyed this vlog. So let's get some night footage and end my vlog. Like this is good.